Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on this lovely unit. Her name is Charlie. I purchased this unit from Wig Types actually. This is by Freetress Equal. It's another shake and go unit. I purchased it in the color OM30 Gold. According to the stock card, this unit comes in the blue black, the dark purple, and the undercut dark green. I think I prefer it in the OM30 Gold color. I think that color totally complements my skin complexion and it just looks very good. Let's see. Let's get into the details of this unit. Charlie does not come with any combs. It only comes with an adjustable strap in the back. The construction of the cap is pretty breathable. It's comfortable for the summertime given the heat. It also is heavy in the bangs, which I really love, and it's totally tapered down in the back. You can sweep these bangs to either the left or the right, totally up to you, your choice. According to the stock card, this unit is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. This unit puts me in a mind of the 90s actually. That might be why I like it so much, just because it is fuller in the top and tapered down in the back. I think I had my hair similar to this when I was in high school, if I'm not mistaken, but it definitely gives me a 90s type of vibe. As far as the unit goes itself, I really do like it. I plan to definitely wear it this summer. Just give it a little playing with the bangs. So, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will make sure to leave the information in the description box below. I want to thank you again for visiting my channel and taking this time out to review this wig with me today. If you would, please don't forget to subscribe and definitely leave your comments in the section below and I will respond to them, as well as don't forget to thumbs up and share this video. Thank you. I will see you guys next time. Bye.